Welcome. This video is a part of a series related to the latest global pandemic, COVID-19. Break the Catena. What does it mean? What is it all about? Why is it important? What do we need to do? This is what we are going to discuss in this video. I will be sharing important guidelines from various authorities which will surely benefit you and your dear and near ones. We all no doubt agree that small steps will take us a mile. So is the case with the fight against diseases, especially at this moment the coronavirus or COVID-19. Let's join hands to fight against the global pandemic COVID-19. What does break the Catena mean? It means to break the chain or link of connected series of related things. In this case, we are going to talk about COVID-19. Break the chain of infection involves various things. Let's have a brief glance to get an idea of what is involved. Break the Catena. Join hands and follow these steps. Wash hands frequently. It would mean setting up wash areas in common places like bus stops, hospitals, residential areas, offices, banks, shops, and other places. Hand hygiene, either with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub, is one of the best ways to avoid getting sick ourselves, and also acting as a medium and spreading infections to others will be limited. It is indeed an easy, inexpensive, and effective way of preventing the spread of germs and keeping ourselves healthy. Follow the respiratory manners or the respiratory hygiene. One thing that we can always remember as a slogan is cough or sneeze, but elbow please. So, whenever you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue paper or a handkerchief. If you are using a tissue, dispose it afterwards and don't keep it in your pockets. After coughing or sneezing, wash your hands with soap and water. If not, use alcohol-based hand rubs. If you have a sickness where you continuously cough or sneeze for a period of time, it's better to wear a mask. If necessary, home quarantine yourself. Maintain sufficient distance and avoid handshakes. Build your immunity. If your immune power is strong, you would be able to resist many germs that would be attacking your system. So, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Avoid raw and half-cooked food. Drink plenty of fluids. This will surely protect you from dehydration and build up your immunity. At the same time, avoid junk food. Limit yourself to sugar and carbonated drinks. Educate and remind others. Instead of keeping the information just to ourselves, we need to educate others so that they too may follow these steps and prevent the spread of this virus. Surely, we need to protect the elderly and the sick. We should always try to maintain cleanliness. Since COVID-19 is a communicable disease and tends to spread at an alarming rate, we need to follow instructions and take precautionary steps. We all know that prevention is better than cure, so we need to break the Catena or the link so that the virus does not spread. It is important to wash our hands frequently, boost our immune system, and maintain social distancing. But why? It is very important that we break the chain, since our negligence or ignorance will lead to disaster and lockout situations, as we can see in many countries. Just within a week, the number of infected victims multiplied. Why? Because they did not take the thing seriously and they did not break the Catena or chain. One infected person kept spreading the virus and the number of the infected kept multiplying. And slowly the whole community, area and nation was infected. So you understand the seriousness? It is definitely a responsibility on the part of each and every one of us to break the Catena or the chain so that the link between humans and the virus is lost or broken. COVID-19 has been declared a global epidemic, and according to UNICEF, the coronavirus remains on our hands for about 10 minutes. So, hand hygiene is very important and is the best known method of breaking the Catena or link. Hand hygiene at a glance. For a demo, please refer to my video 7 Steps to Hygiene. I will be pasting the link below for your direct access. Other surfaces like metal are also carriers of the virus, so it is important to disinfect our hands after touching those surfaces. According to UNICEF, the coronavirus remains on metal surfaces for about 12 hours. So, to break the chain, we need to follow a strict routine of hand hygiene, since we are mostly unaware whether we have picked up the coronavirus unknowingly. According to UNICEF, the coronavirus remains on clothes and fabrics for about 9 hours. So, in order to break the chain, it is very important for us to wash our clothes after each and every single use, especially at this time period. Wearing clean clothes will surely act as a protection. Bed sheets, pillow covers, blankets, handkerchiefs need to be clean, else we may be unknowingly spreading the virus all around our home and neighborhood. Strictly follow instructions, since COVID-19 has been declared a global pandemic and it is spreading very, very fast. If we don't stop it, it will stop us. Diseases are just not new to mankind. It has taken a great toll in the past and ravaged mankind throughout centuries, killing thousands and millions and ever more. We can see a crescendo since 1914, which can indeed be termed as the last days of the system of things, according to the Bible. There are many different germs and infections all around us. Despite the variety of viruses and bacteria, germs spread from person to person through a common series of events. Therefore, to prevent germs from infecting more people, we must break the chain of infection. No matter the germ, there are 6 points to break the chain, and a germ can be stopped from infecting another person. Let's have a look at it. The first one is infectious agent, that is the germ that causes the disease. Then is the reservoir, which includes places in the environment where the germs live. This may include people, animals and insects, medical equipments, various surfaces, soil and water. Then we have the portal of exit. It refers to the way the infectious agent leaves the reservoir. It could be through open wounds, aerosols, the splatters of body fluids including coughing, sneezing and saliva. Then comes the mode of transmission. That's the way through which the infectious agent can be passed on, which could be direct or indirect contact, ingestion or inhalation. Then we have the portal of entry. It refers to the way the infectious agent enters a new host. It could be through a broken skin, the respiratory tract, mucous membrane, catheters and tubes. And then finally we have the susceptible host. It could refer to any person, the most vulnerable ones, those who are receiving health care, those who are immunocompromised or have invasive medical devices, including lines, devices and airways. So the way to stop germs from spreading is by interrupting this chain at any cost. Break the chain by cleaning your hands frequently, covering coughs and sneezes, isolating yourself if needed, following the rules and standards of social isolation, using personal protective equipments the right way, cleaning and disinfecting the environment and surroundings, sterilizing instruments and equipments, and following safe practices and instructions. More than anything else or anyone else, it's us. Yes, each and every one of us. We are the ones who need to contribute a great deal in breaking the Catena and saving ourselves and those around us. If you find my video informative and helpful, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another informative video. Bye for now. Stay healthy and stay blessed.